Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Signal app when it's not working, keeps crashing, or gets stuck on the loading screen. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap Settings in your mobile. Once you're in the Settings menu, tap Apps. This will bring up a list of all the applications currently installed on your device, giving you access to manage each one individually. From here, tap Signal to open its specific app settings page. This is where you can control how the app behaves and troubleshoot any issues it might be experiencing. Now tap Force Stop. This action will immediately close the Signal app and stop all its background processes, which is often the first step in resolving crashes or freezing issues. A confirmation will pop up asking if you're sure you want to force stop the app. Go ahead and tap OK to confirm. This ensures that any corrupted processes or temporary glitches that were causing the app to malfunction are completely cleared out. Next, tap Storage and Cache. This section controls how much space Signal is using on your device and where temporary data is stored. At the top, tap Clear Cache. Clearing the cache removes temporary files that may have become corrupted or outdated, which is a common cause of apps getting stuck on loading screens or crashing unexpectedly. This won't delete your messages or any important data, just the temporary files that help the app run smoothly. Now it's time to make sure you're running the latest version of Signal. Open the Play Store on your device. Once it loads, tap the search bar at the bottom. Type in Signal Private Messenger and tap it from the search results. This will take you directly to the Signal app page. Look for the Update button right beside Signal Private Messenger. If you find the Update button, just tap it. This will download and install the latest version of the app, which often includes bug fixes and performance improvements that can resolve crashing or loading issues. Finally, restart your phone. This allows all the changes you just made to take full effect and gives your device a fresh start. After your phone powers back on, try to launch the Signal Private Messenger app. Your app should now be working smoothly without any crashes or loading screen issues. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.